Hello everyone, Andy here. Let's have a look at the NASDAQ futures for Thursday, October 26. For the record, today is Wednesday, October 25. Time is around 7 p.m. GMT. So here in the NASDAQ, the obvious is playing out. We reacted from this wave 4 area right here, and so now it looks like we are having this fifth wave down. So from here we had a WXY structure. So we were planning, or the expectation is to go into this area right here. And the question was, how exactly will we get there? And we took the most obvious path, which was the wave 4. So reaction from the wave 4 area going down from here. But now, yeah, we have to see actually what will happen from here. So if we have an so 5 waves down from here, then then it looks like this will unfold here, this last Y leg, as an A, B, C pattern. For the moment, so we experienced a good drop right here, and if we look at the internals of this wave right here, then we do not have 5 waves yet. So if we look here at the 15-minute chart, so from here we should be able to count like an impulse, 5 waves down, and so far I believe we can make a case for 1, 2. This then here the good drop is or wave 3, but a 4 and a 5 so far is missing, and it will be quite important to see this. And I'm also wondering if it will come, because now here we are at the resistance zone. For the moment, it looks like we are holding right here, and if we do not really see this fourth and fifth wave right here, then I think we still have to take into account the WXY scenario, but with a more shallow wave X. So that would mean that we missed the wave X area, but after all, we came quite close actually. So if we take the length here of the wave W, then our wave X area was the area here between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracements. So that's kind of important, this fourth and fifth wave, to know how exactly we will go there. First of all, like if we kind of start to rally from here, then this will probably be the path. So WX Y, something like this, because wave W is going in 3, 1, 2, 3, then wave X up, and then wave Y down. And another implication could be that, but maybe it's a bit too early to start talking about this, but let me share it, because it can also be quite important. I would expect that at this resistance zone, we should have some kind of reaction. And actually, the danger would be that we have this here. So just a very short wave Y, as you can see. So then from here we have WXY with the Y right here, which then actually means like the Y is in right here, the Y in the higher degree. It looks very ugly, this structure, but and it also does not look really proportional, but I think it's important to be prepared. I'm just sharing this because I would expect that something happens here at the resistance zone, some kind of reaction to the upside, and then the danger is to short the fourth wave here, the next fourth wave, or this wave X. And what me also makes a bit suspicious is that the other indices are not really reacting for now. Like they are not doing the same move as the NASDAQ does, while they have like a similar setup. Like for the Dow Jones, it would actually be kind of easy or even very obvious to also make the fifth wave down. We are quite close, but it does not happen. Also for the DAX could make another move down, but is simply not doing it. So it looks like they are waiting for something, and yeah, that something could be the Nasdaq reaching here the resistance zone. So I know that this might all sound a bit far reaching, but I'm just sharing from my experience over the years, and I know that these kind of things can happen, and that's why I'm sharing. So I'm providing analysis. I'm sharing what I'm seeing, and then of course it depends on everybody's own trading system to make the decisions you want to make. But this is what is currently going on in my mind. Um, so for me personally, quite important that we see the fourth and the fifth wave here to finish a wave A. But if this is not happening, then we have to start considering some kind of less obvious scenarios involving here this short wave Y. But okay, that's maybe for tomorrow or the day after tomorrow or the weekend analysis. Now let's just wait for a bit more data. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.